I'm tired. You're tired. The world's tired. But let's chat. Yeah, what do you want to talk about? Anything. But if you don't mind, can I just keep my eyes closed while we're talking? Yeah, not a problem. I'm sorry you didn't sleep well last night. Yeah, well, me too. But thank you. Thank you very much. Did you try having your coffee? Well, I had coffee at about 4:45 this morning. I guess I could have another cup. Well, why don't you just take a nap? Tell me about how wonderful you are. Well, let's just say, oh my goodness, oh. Sorry. No, not a problem. I'd like to yawn too. Oh no, don't tell me they're back. I really don't like having the hiccups because it's a strain on my heart. You know what I mean? I really don't want to go there this morning, please. You should try to scare me. You're so bizarre. We gotta watch that. Should we try that again?